1978 Chevrolet regular cab Stepside pickup here at Unique Specialty and Classics. First off, underneath the hood, small block Chevy power. According to the previous owner, 350. It's been bored to a 355. Automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact, 2000 stall. And those were recently rebuilt, according to him. Let's take a look at this front grille. As you can see, missing a headlight surround. I'm going to get into a few things on this in just a bit. First, still pictures. Let me tell you where to check those out so you can take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see the pics. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Now, this paint does have a heavy metallic in it, as you can see on the painted bumper, and also the hood. Now, there's a few spots you can see. We do have some kind of light dingers, possibly previous hail. This is one of those trucks I like to announce. Drive it the way you see it, have some fun with it, or if you want to put a little TLC into the exterior, go right ahead. It is riding on newer wheels and tires, US mag, chrome wheels, radial tires, but again, you can see body on it is going to need some TLC if you want to take to that next level. So I told you where to check out those still pictures. Take your time looking through them. As far as the interior, we'll get around to the driver's side, check that out. It does have newer seats in it, carpet, seat belts, new shocks, spindles up front, and of course I mentioned the tires and wheels are newer. So there are some things that have been done to this truck, but if you want to take to the next level, exterior will need some care. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Kind of same with the bed. Use it and drive it as it is, or again, maybe you want to put a little TLC into it. Are some spare things that will come with it. What you see on the floor here is in the still pictures also. We'll put those back in the box that came with it, and those will be included with the truck. Once again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. The truck has been lowered, as you can see. Air shocks on the rear. It does have new felt covered gaskets. We're going to look underneath the hood, let you hear it run. We'll start it up. If you like these regular cab Stepside Chevys, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can purchase them either online or right off our showroom floor. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. Door panel, a little customized window handle. And here's what I was talking about. Newer carpeting, newer bucket seats with the belts, tilt column, a little custom stereo install, amp behind the passenger seat. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Do have a digital dash. Aftermarket stereo is working, JVC. Look at the dash. Pause this a second, I'll get the hood open. All right, hood pop. There we go. Power brakes, power steering, aluminum heads, metal block intake, manifold, poly double pumper, headers, 1978 Chevrolet regular cab Stepside. Those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1978 Chevrolet C10. This truck is lowered, this truck is loud and fun. So we've got digital gauges in the dash. If those are flashing and all, that's just our camera's frame rate, not the gauges themselves. They actually look really good. It's an automatic on the column. Let's see how she does. I actually took her a little easy because there is a lot of volume in this vehicle. The speedometer working very well. Tachometer as well. You can see that clearly. Now the oil pressure is showing 70 pounds. The volts are at 14 and a half. The fuel is a quarter of a tank. We have a JVC stereo on the dash and a subwoofer right next to me. It sounds great. Even though this truck sounds amazing, the stereo does overcome it, and you can hear it well. Racing style bucket seats in this truck. Definitely a firm ride for cornering very well and launching very well. Brakes are working as they should. Power brakes, power steering. It's easy to steer even with this small Grand GT steering wheel. And as I was saying, it corners nice and flat. Let's hit the throttle one more time. Make sure you